This is a quick guide on how to use Write by AI. I believe you already have an account with Write by AI. If you don't, just go to writebyai.com and click on register. Registering on Write by AI is as easy as ABC. And also, I have made a quick tutorial on how you can claim your first 1000 free words to start using Write by AI. Now, when you open Write by AI, your dashboard should look like this. Now, because I'm an admin, there are some things you might not find on your own dashboard, but that's fine. You have a menu on the left hand side, and you have another one here, which is a quick guide on the templates we have set up on the website. And when you click on your image here, that will bring out your profile. And under your profile here, you have other menus there that can be useful for whatever thing you're doing. And if you don't like the light mode, you can change it back to dark mode right here, like that. So let's just get right into the different section of Write by AI. We have the dashboard, which is this. We have the templates, which are the different templates that has been set up that you can quickly use to start generating content. We have the document tab. Under the document tab, any template you use or whatever content you have generated, when you save them up, they appear under the document tab. You have the AI voiceover, just in case you want to create a voiceover using AI, you can do that here. We have the AI speech to text, whereby you bring in an audio to Write by AI and then it converts it to text for you. We have the image generator, we have the AI code assistant, and we have the AI chat. So today I'll just be focusing on the templates, documents, code, and chat. The rest are as easy as you can get. So let's start with the templates. What are the templates and what do we have under templates? So under templates we have premeditated, or should I say but let's just call it templates for ease of communicating. So templates that has been set up for you to be able to get started as easy as possible, whereby you don't have to rack your brain again on trying to generate prompts or trying to explain what you want the AI platform to do for you. So under here we have template for ads, in case you want to generate a clickbait title, add headlines. You can use this template. We have for blog, we have for content, article generator, content rewriter, paragraph generator, talking points, and so on. We have for e-commerce, like so. We have for email, see. We have for framework, marketing, social media, video, websites, others. So no matter what you want to do, whether you want to create faceless video, you want to generate content for your blog, for your email, or whatever thing you're doing, you can get started right away using our pre-stored template. Now under AI code, that's also straightforward. Here you can generate code for any of maybe any code you're writing, and if it's not here, you can click on none and still get that code generated. So you can generate code for HTML, JavaScript, Perl, PHP, Python, Ruby, and so on. We'll be demonstrating with this tool very soon. And then you have the AI chat. Here we have also set up different AI assistants: travel guide, coach, comedian, screenwriter. So anything you want to talk to AI about, whether it's relationship, and this is very useful when you're creating faceless videos. So You can come here and generate a screen. You can come here and ask our AI screenwriter to help you write a few things. Legal advisor is here, journalist is here, or even if you don't want all the premeditated ones, or you just want to chat directly, you can click on the AI chat, ask me anything. So that's what this platform is for. That this section is for when you want to chat. Now, this is a chef as well. You can ask the AI chef on whatever food you would like to cook. So let's start with the template. I'll just use one example, and I believe you can expand it based on the explanation. So let's go to template. So let's uh, let's uh, let's use content. So let's generate. Let's see. Okay, let's generate a creative stories. So let's click on this. So there's something I also will quickly talk about. So based on the template you use more on Write by AI platform, you can easily click on this star and save it as favorite. So when next you come on your dashboard, you find it on the dashboard as a favorite tool that you use, so that you don't always have to go back to the template and keep looking for uh, the creative story. It's just right there on your dashboard. So creative story. Let's write something about a boy in love having no money. So let's do that. A boy in love having no money. So let's generate text. Let's see what AI can do. See? You see now? It's generating story for me. I just said a boy in love having no money, and that's it. You can see that now. So let's see. You see, once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young boy named Ethan. He was an intelligent and hardworking lad. Da 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 da. You can see that. You can see that. So now, when you're done writing, you can now save this to your document. So you can call it my Ethan story. Then you can just click on save document. So this will now be saved under this document. When you click all documents, you will find it here. So you can see that my Ethan story. So that's what document is for. Whether you generate images, voiceovers, transcript, or codes and workbook, you find them here. So we've done one example like that, and it goes on for any other templates you want to use here. Just follow the same example I use in creating my creative story. So let's do AI code. So I want to generate a JavaScript. So I want to say the sum of 10. Just click generate. So it's generating something for me. Now see, I want this to print out the sum of 10. I didn't even put print. I didn't do anything. I just said the sum of 10. You can see it says let number equals 10, let sum equals number plus number, console.log, the sum of 10 is sum. So this code will print out 10. That's what it simply means. That's what it's for. Again, you can come here, example code, and then you can save. This will be saved under documents, under code, all codes. You can see it here, example code. So that's that. Now let's go to the AI chart. So let's we'll be doing two examples here. So let's see what we can do. Let me see. Okay, okay, okay. Let me ask Maria Jobs. She's a recruiter. So let's ask her to do something for us. So new. So what's our question? Let's ask. I just got an interview opportunity with Google. What should I take note of as a media consultant? That's just an example. Let's see. Our recruiter is generating something for us. He says, see, he says, congratulations on securing an interview with Google as a media consultant. Here are some important points to note. You can see that. You can see that. You can see how she's helping us. She says, familiarize yourself with Google Media products as a media consultant, da 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 da, and so on. Now, if you are not so pleased with this point because she stopped at 8, you can say continue to point 10 and enter. It will give us 9 and give us 10. Can you see that? 9 and 10, and even take it to 11. Oh, okay, I said continue to point 10. That is, give us an additional 10 points. I would have just specified that, that our recruiter should give us 2 more points to make 10. Okay, so that was my mistake. Now, when this is done, you can click on, you can export the document. You can do whatever you want. You can export it. You can export it as PDF, or you can simply just export it as a text file. So that's what that one is for. And the last but not the least is the AI charts. So here you want to ask anything in this place. Okay, this is some questions I've asked before. So let me do new. So in this place you can ask the questions you want and the AI would give you response. So let's test it out. Let me say create a customer avatar for a media agency based in London. Good. Can you see that? He just created a customer avatar for me based in London. Now let's see what our AI did. See, it says, sure, here is a customer avatar for a media agency based in London. Name, Emily Thompson. Age, 32. Occupation, marketing, da 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 da. You see? But in this case, I do not want him to create a customer avatar around someone's name. I want a company. So I can say, I want a company, not a person. Can you see that? Can you see? Can you see? He didn't just create the customer avatar, he gave the company background, goals and objectives, challenges and pain points, values and preferences, and so on. So from here, you can continue to give prompts to the AI platform as you wish. So Right by AI has been able to preload some prompts on the background so that you don't have to, rack your brain over what and what to do. But that still doesn't change the fact that you need to be, you need to understand how prompt works and how to prompt AI perfectly well to get the result, to get the desired result out of AI every time you're interacting with any AI platform. So Having said that, I have been able to put together some powerful prompts totaling 1000, from blog to cold DM to cold email to content creation, Facebook ads, and so on. A whole lot of prompts that you can take advantage of, So whenever you're interacting with an AI platform, you can just easily come to your prompts and check, So let's use this blog, for example. Let's see some prompts that we have here. You see, so look at this, for example. I'm looking for type the name of your blog that will engage what is the idea, my ideal customer persona, with a unique and compelling perspective on what is the subject, and persuade them to take what is the desired action on my website. Can you see? That's just for blog alone. You can see how huge it is. Now you can repeat this prompt as you want and as you like. Also, I have also put together about 1000, in fact more than 1000 artificial intelligence AI powered tools that can help you in your daily life, from architectural design, art and image generator, audio editing, code, customer support, phone, health, gift, and so on. You can see how massive it is. So if you would like to have this 1000 chat GPT prompts and this 1000 no code tools, you can just reach out to me and I will let you know how to get it. Thank you for watching. Bye.